that, bitch. My hair. So soft.
I want to show you exactly how I did that because I was trying this new product and I recorded the whole thing. By the way, this is the hair I started with. Didn't have much hope. I just moved these girls to a cold climate and they are hating every minute of it. So I always like to start by gently massaging my scalp because it loosens the oils and the knots before I get it wet. But mainly because it feels so good. Dreaming about the day I finally have the courage to wear my hair like this in public. When it comes to getting your hair to the correct amount of wetness, I feel like a lot of people tend to miss. Your hair is like a sponge that has gotten hard and need to be soaked with water and loosened up for the soap to actually kind of stick to it and do its thing. Shampoo is a scalp only product, meaning only put it on your scalp and put lots of it. Get all of that oil and gunk cleaned out. The bottom of your hair is the oldest and most fragile, so treat it as such. Oils don't make it all the way down there. No scrubbing, and for the love of God, no squeegeing the water out of your hair. Or at least try not to. Also, don't forget about the bottom part of your scalp, and then just let it run down the rest of my hair. Then the conditioner came, and the way I squealed when I found out that it's pink! The instant dopamine hit. Now, the conditioner is the opposite of the shampoo. It's only mid to bottom hair product. Try to avoid the scalp. Conditioner is meant to stick and you don't want it to stick into your scalp. That's how buildup and itchiness happen. This is the perfect time to detangle your hair. The conditioner and water combo gives it that slip it needs to unwind with the least amount of breakage. Always add water first before adding more products. But conditioner is one of those things that I allow myself to overuse. Using the wrong brush can make all this effort go to waste. Make sure that the brush you're using to detangle your curls is soft and flexible. This is my favorite kind. It's super flexible, glides over knots, not through them. I put the link down for you if you need it. Start from the bottom and work your way up. If you are detangling and this happens, just add product and water and watch how easy and painless detangling becomes. If your conditioner starts to foam up like this, it means you're doing it correctly. Time to rinse with cold water.
This is the most annoying step, but it doesn't have to be super cold. Just as cold as you can tolerate it, the better. And so instead of really hot water, if you can tolerate it, at least hot water, turn it to that. The colder the better, of course, but not everyone can tolerate it, especially in the winter, so listen to your body.
That's if you want less frizz, of course. Of course, if you don't want to do it, then don't do it. I went right into styling.
If this is pink, I'm gonna... It's pink.
Right there in the shower while my hair is soaking wet. For my texture hair, I find it to be the best time. Layering the products in this order. Started with a leave-in conditioner, then the gel, and smoothed it all in with a styling brush, one section at a time. Doing the rake and shake method. The bottle recommended to scrunch the hair up, so that's what I did. Then wrapped it all up in a cotton t-shirt and rinsed off the products off my skin as best as I can. That's something I wish someone told me before because hair products cause acne, y'all. After I took off the t-shirt, I picked out my least favorite frizzies and smoothed them in with some extra products. It's a totally optional step. Then I let it air dry. It dried with a very strong cast that had me worried for a minute, but it smelled yummy and it wasn't frizzy, so I trusted the process. Because sometimes when your hair is 85% dry, looks the frizziest, and then when it's dry, it's not frizzy anymore. Because someone explained this to me. Now that it's 100%, it's hard as a rock. It has a very hard cast. A lot of people get to this point of wash day and see their curls hard and crunchy. Think that's it. Wash day didn't work, but the truth is you're not done yet. Time to break the cast. I used my rose hair oil that smells like a piece of heaven to coat my entire hands to create slip, then started to scrunch out the crunch, and I tell you, the curls started to appear from their cocoons. They were so beautiful. And to think I bought these hair clips from the dollar store. So cute. What product should I try next? Thanks for watching me shower, and I'll see you in the next video.